How to remove shortcuts in Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook. And at the top, you can see that the shortcut or navigation bar has some options and features. But say for example, you wanted to remove one of these features to customize your shortcut bar. The process is very easy and simple. Just click on those three lines at the top right, then go to your settings. And here you need to scroll down to the preferences section, then click on shortcuts. And here you want to click on shortcut bar, where you will be able to customize and personalize the shortcut or navigation bar. As you can see here, you have some available shortcuts that you can use. So in order for you to remove one of the shortcuts, say for example the friend request shortcuts, just click on the drop down menu next to it, then select the last option that says hide to not show this in your navigation bar. Then we move to the, say for example, the second shortcut, the marketplace shortcut. Click on it and then the same thing, click on hide. And once you do that, these shortcuts will be hidden from your shortcut bar and they will be replaced with other shortcuts that Facebook will choose automatically based on your activity. So let's go ahead and close Facebook and reopen it. And here you can see that the show marketplace and the friend request shortcuts has been deleted and replaced with the watch and profile shortcut. And you can also remove these and replace them with other shortcuts if you want to. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete shortcuts in Facebook. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.